Hey Cookease family, guess what? We have a new sponsor that just reached out to our channel and asked if we would sponsor their product. And I just went to the post office and I wanted to show you really quickly what we're going to be working with. You all, this was out of the blue, totally out of the blue. So you just never know. You never know who's watching. Back so you can see. You never know who's watching what you're doing. I was so excited I didn't even open it up yet. Oops. Wow, so this is what we're going to be working with. This is from Redmond. We're going to be doing a demonstration with the toaster. I'm so excited to do this. So in the next video, I'm going to post something that we can do with this video. Now I really want to thank Mack's Kitchen and Grill. I want to thank Ashley from My Full Figure. I want to thank Cooking with Honey, and I want to thank Bama Gurl Cafe because I reached out to them, and I asked them what would they do. And they told me, all of them said to go for it. So here we go, y'all. What's something that you think we should do? Give me some ideas. I'm going to think of a few things, and then I'm going to give the description and all the details about this toaster. All right? Love you guys, and thanks for stopping by. See you soon. In the meantime, check out this website. It's called redmondhome.com. I'll be back with more details, and I'll list it below. Okay, stand by. All right, let's see what this toaster looks like, you guys. Can you see it? Move back some more. All right. We have the user manual, and then we have the heat levels. It indicates how brown you want your toast. This is really neat. It helps you out with the settings. So, you know, we have a different type of toaster in the kitchen. Our toaster is the kind that you lay flat. So this is going to be really, really interesting using this. Oh, it's nice. Look at this. It's nice. Very nice. So, what's something that you want me to do, you all? Look at here. It comes with a lot of descriptions. There are bread slots, LCD display, which gives the toaster level, the level of, this is it, the level settings of how brown you want your bread. And this is the lever right here. It says that there's a defrost button and a reheat button. There's a bagel button, a stop button, and there's a crumb tray. Ooh. Oh, look at this, a crumb tray. Look, you all, there's a crumb tray. Now, I haven't seen that in a toaster. Look. Oh, for easy cleaning. And then there's a stop button. Now, the power rating is 120V to 60HZ 85W. And it's stainless steel. And this is for 2 slots of toast. And all buttons are with the pilot light. Now, it says it's self-adjusting bread carriage for uniform toasting, automatic cutoff, and a removable crumb tray, excuse me. And then it has storage for the cable, which you just wrap it under here and tuck it away. Well, I'm not going to wrap it because we're getting ready to plug this up. This is really nice. And then there's a lot of safeguards to this as well. I'm going to read more of the directions, and I'm also going to list this below. You all can follow them at redmond.usa. They have a lot of information here. Why don't I just list this below so you can see it? You all, let's cook with ease. Let's get started. All right, I want you to stand by. Tell me what you want me to make.